hard. Ispanakatata. Oh, Gatata.
Hey, this Big Hustle. Subscribe to J&J Network right now.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jenna Charlton and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're out here at Victoria Poolside for Bikers Weekend. And like I said, I'm going to be hanging out with some of your favorites, artists, celebrities, and just have a chit chat, how they're feeling, the vibe here, and what's happening. You understand? Yeah. And next to me right now, I'm with the talented Omali Temba. Hey Omali, how are you?
Hi Jenna, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Yo, I was struggling to get your name correct because there's two of you, same person, but I need to get it right. Jenna, right?
Yes, Jenna.
Hi. Good luck for me. So yeah, hi. How are you doing? Are you good?
I'm great. It actually just crossed my mind right now that this is basically like our first interview. We've never had this on camera, ne?
Never. And for some reason, known by me and you, I thought you kind of have some beef with me.
You thought I was beefing with you? Guys, Omali thinks I'm beefing with him. Why would I be beefing with someone who makes such great music and stuff? Like, you're doing the things. First of all, I am a huge supporter of like local music and everything. You understand? So I'm not gonna beef with someone because they're beefing with that other guy, my son. No man, his beefs are his beefs. They're not mine.
Honestly, I think I like you as a person. I like what you're doing for the culture, for what you're trying to build as an industry. So I think I commented on your, I'm like, no, she's way beyond. So I'm high five for that.
But how are you feeling the vibe here at Bikers Weekend? Like you were telling me off camera that you're not performing, but you're just here to like support and just see like new talent, the likes of Citizen, Abuti, Atizi. So like, tell us your thoughts about them. I know you work with them, but like, what do you see? What makes you like, try push them and stuff, and just support them and all of that?
I think before I become who I am, I'm a fan of a lot of things. I'm a fan of your show. I'm a fan of so many artists. They just that they don't know that I'm a fan of their stuff. So I'm a fan of artists' work, Crazy's work, and Citizen's work. So I'm here to support them because I work closely with them. So I'm actually here to support what they do, and I just wanted to see the capabilities on the lineup. So I'm actually happy with what they delivered there because I was not on the lineup. My only job was to be here and enjoy. Yeah, so I'm really happy.
Absolutely. And what would you say was your favorite moment today, Mona, Bikers Weekend?
Yo, not yet, man. I think
the night is still young.
Yeah, the night is still young. It's true that most of my friends have performed, but I'm still waiting for. Is there real? I've never seen him perform in live before. I've seen him on videos, but I'm looking forward to his performance, and I'm hoping what I see on videos actually is quite different from what I'm gonna see today. Yeah.
Absolutely. We're looking forward to that MT performance. Let's talk about your latest single, Mama Kifumani Nguetsi. What's up with that song? What inspired the song and everything? Tell us about it.
I'm a bit confused because there's a lot of pressure coming on right now. I don't want to lie. There is a brother of mine, Abitan Sanerne. It's so hard to repair along the bar I believe. So I'm currently doing an EP. So I listen to all my songs and I'm like, this song could be the one that could be a singular EP. And then when it came out, I wasn't sure anymore because it is out now, but I'm not sure of the reception. So I think the song I can sing in album bio, beng ba yona ke specifics fela ha se mang le mang, so it's a big a challenge for na like pine how do I make it what ba e tsebe but hona batho ba e tseba ba yona, so you say yeah.
Lovely song though, and well, I don't know if people know, but I saw it that you were in studio with Sanere and stuff. So when can we expect that collaboration?
Sanere is very smart. That's what I wanted to begin with. Sanere is very smart. He's one person that I've worked closely with before he could even become who he is. I worked with him closely, so my only work was that I started to angwa yesi pumesa sa fame because ya kuka and yes book also lata so lata whole but also give us people closely, so he's very smart now. Mental health, so he made a song every song. I think he is all now. So I'm there and I'm very clear that I'm there because it's my first song, you know. I'm gonna be on the song. So on the same song because I want longevity better. I believe his own market, but my high was more. I'm not some fella. And Hagana put it on Sandana Mali Pocabo. So you are the longevity of high. So this song is a Sonia Sanere Elohion. There's me, there's Sidi Mutaban, Max Brass, Leleka Suwe, not Pogabo, Hagisan Pepo, so many of us. So I'm glad to be part of that song. It's a Sonia mental health as a man. Yeah.
Oh, absolutely. We cannot wait for that. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Jenna. Thank you.
Thank you.
I had to say that.
Yeah.
I had to fool you. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Like I promised, guys, I'm hanging out with the Big Hustle. Come on now. MT the Hustler. Hey, MT, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm awesome. How does it feel to be in Maseru, Lesotho?
This is like home, you know.
Yeah.
Matatiele is like 1 hour away.
Yeah.
So this is like home.
Can you speak Sesotho?
Yeah.
Dumela ntate. O phela jwang?
Ke phetse le jwang.
We're good. How you feel about Bikers Weekend? You know?
I like it. The bikers are amusing, you know.
Yeah.
Since I was a kid, I was always fascinated by bikers and stuff, you know. I wouldn't do it personally.
Why is that?
I'm a clumsy person.
Yeah.
I just crashed my bus the other day.
Hectic. That's a bit hectic. Yeah. All right. But otherwise, I mean, it's all about the music and everything, and you are releasing your album in a couple of days. Yeah. What can we expect from that project? You did mention that you finished recording it like 2023. Yeah. Who can we expect on the album, the features and stuff?
I got my girl Nanette on the song. Yeah, my money's on that song. It's a special one. I got F-Easy, the legendary, you know. I got Saudi. Yeah, that's about it for real. Yeah.
Okay. We can't wait for that. We definitely
Can't wait to serve.
Absolutely. And let's talk about MT Records. Yeah. What's up there? Tell us a bit more about that. I mean, for artists, like in Lesotho we have a lot of artists, so like would you sign artists out of like South Africa?
Hell yeah. If the talent is there, why not?
Yeah. So
talent scout myself.
What does it take? What does it take for someone to you know, to be on there and you know, for you to recognize and stuff?
Believe in themselves, self-confidence, and just have fun with it. You know, some people are like, I don't know about other people, but you know, they way too serious for me, you know. It's time to bring, you know, some smiles back to the people. Yeah.
That is lovely. Hey guys, you heard it for yourself. Yeah, okay, guys, work hard, believe in yourself, and just do the magic, man. I mean, I'm a bit starstruck. I should say that.
Hey, I'm just an ordinary boy from the streets of Johannesburg.
Absolutely, but I gotta give it to you. Big shout out to you for doing the things. You are a living legend.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Rest in peace to Super Mega, you know, he gave me the crown.
We hope to see you soon back in Maseru, Lesotho.
I love it, yeah. Like the energy and the people are down to earth, you know, just like me. So, yeah, one same WhatsApp.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, please do remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Please tell them to subscribe to my channel, J&J Network.
Hey, this big hustle. Subscribe to J&J Network right now.
Like I said, I'll be hanging out with Ndate Stunna today. Summer Award winning, actually 2-time Summer Award winning superstar Ndate Stunna is joining me today, and we're gonna talk about, you know, the vibe here and how he's feeling and stuff. Ndate Stunna, what's up? How you feeling?
I feel good.
Nothing. I'm good. You know. How's the vibe here at Bikers Weekend? How you feeling? How you feeling the vibe?
It's crazy. I'm a biker myself, so yeah, I'm feeling the vibes. What of that? What's it? It's Bikers Weekend, you can tell.
It's Bikers Weekend. Ow! So yeah, what are you going to give people today? Your performance, what can people expect from that?
Just a glimpse. I'm here to party. It's my boys' party. I'm not really here to. It's not about the performance today, you know. It's just about the vibe. I want to party with my people. You know what I mean?
They must wait for the 28th to see what a performance is.
28th of December. That's when I'm performing. Today I'm just partying. You know what I mean? 28th of December.
Oh, and he failed. Who am I say? Roo. Oh my God. But yeah. But tell us also, before we talk about Sesotho fashioning, congratulations on your collaboration with Castle Mixed Out. Yeah. How did that come about?
Me and Castle Mixed Out run a relationship before, you know what I mean? You know, I came in the industry who I am, you know what I mean? Somebody I embrace and culture high, I can get Sesotho fashioning. One would think there's no market in endorsement. I only realized there are brands like Castle Mixed Out who are actually interested also. You know what I mean? Like putting the culture, like preserving culture itself. So I actually found out that there's market in who I am. So I've had this long relationship with Castle Mixed Out. Ancestors Day. We are bringing Inata City, the old songs, to life for the new generation to understand. You understand what I mean? So it's something that's aligned to Sesotho fashioning. So yeah.
Afri karaoke. So why would you pick Sana Marena as the song? Why? Why that
I was given options, and I chose Sana Marena because kina le brand ba kobo, kina le Sana Marena selling sako.
And 3 years ago, you promised to bring me a blanket. They're still waiting to see you give it to me. What's your problem? It's fine. It's fine. But yeah, alrighty. Yeah, I mean, it was on SABC One. So for us, people don't have DSTV. Hopefully, it'll be on YouTube now. Soon. Talk to them. They must put it on YouTube so we can watch it.
Yeah, but reklama patala DSTV. Like, I go on Hobola. Bunyano hora mpana DSTV. Makahalo patala DSTV. Wadilo mpo.
Alrighty, but Sesotho fashioning, man, a movement. You understand? What does that mean to you? What you have seen so far with what Sesotho fashioning is, and you know, what made you wanna do this concert? What's the reason behind it all?
That's because I was just doing me when I got Sesotho fashioning, and I realized what I wanted to accomplish. And I've celebrated so many things in my life, but I've never really celebrated Sesotho fashioning, and it's not my celebration personally. The celebration I'm every year, or hey, have a celebration Sesotho. We are big out there, you know what I mean? Sesotho culture in way longer since they're not even part of they fell in love with Sesotho. There are so many people who fell in love with Sesotho. So I think it's high time an annual festival more celebrating Sesotho Barona the only way we know how. So let's show people we're celebrate Sesotho, especially camera Christmas. We're gonna get 28. What's another Sesotho who join couple high who join Christmas. So yeah, you better survive. You enjoy pela, you be culture, you traditional. No celebrate Sesotho.
Can I say Mosana got those 28 lemons?
Yeah, Salamozana is a fella 28. Yeah.
Absolutely. But like, what kind of artists should we expect for the show?
I don't expect the artists to embrace Sesotho le culture. I expect the culture spears. So I embracing Setswana, le Sepedi, le Sesotho, and then yeah, let's do this.
Alrighty, okay, Ndadastana. Hey man, Dan you were there. Okay, we're out of here.
Out of here.
We're out of here. Let's go party. Subscribe.
Like button. So make sure you subscribe, guys. I love you guys so much. It's a big
Right now next to me, I'm with the one and only. She's busy. Hey, what's up? How you doing? I'm cool.
Yeah.
First things first. What's happening?
It's late. Humanate, Ramona Lesotho. Yeah, I did she.
And where did the hair go? What happened?
I just woke up and it wasn't there.
Really?
I'm kidding, but my hair, you know what? Change is a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I can say.
Every now and then.
Yeah. Hiya, no fella, bonini. Ohlai nje fella, all different fella, you know. Yeah.
It's lovely.
Yeah.
And before we get into anything else, let's talk about that verse on 442. What? What is this? That was pretty dope. Like, I want you to take us in the moment where you were probably like writing it or whatever. Like how's the progress? Like, how does it go? The process, rather.
Hell, honestly, me and Stana have this connection that people don't know about, right?
Magical.
Magical, yeah, you know, it just happens. So really, 442 Kintates are hitting
we were just chilling, you know, in the studio. And Stana started just having an idea of, you see that part of for Tumoyering, hey,
Yeah.
just that thing, hey. So he kept on doing that, and you know, Stana is a weird brood, but a smart brood musically, you know. So if he like kala harwalo fela, yaba zaga santale tenga di beats at tenda, and I'm just hearing this thing and he just went 4 bars. I was like, hey, Bootle dog, I think I have something. 4 bars. He went 4 bars. I went 4 bars. I'm like, okay, I think we can actually go on. Yeah, so that's how it
a
was.
freestyle and stuff.
It was Haramola. We had to write the lyrics like later because we were just having fun. Who's rather here? It's always just vibes, you know. So if you 442, it was just us playing around and just having fun, yeah.
But like for people who are seeing Cheese Busy for the first time here, you know, tell us a bit more about you and, you know, also what people can expect from you this year and, you know, everyday music, man.
Real name, first of all, Ketapelo Hamufukeli. Matatila Gotwana. Yeah, I'm all the way from Mpumalanga in South Africa. And yeah, I'm Sotho. Don't ask too many questions. I am Sotho.
I was gonna ask that question.
Kimufukeng anyway, so it says a lot. Yeah, Kanite Kimusotho.
Otwa guy.
Mpumalanga, my dad is all the way from Kwakwa. His parents are from Lesotho, you know. So basically the roots don't fall far from whatever they say. You know what I mean? But yeah, Hanyane fella, I'm just a talented artist who is very multilingual. There's a lot up my sleeve, you know. So Hana Kwente, yeah, you know, I'm also gonna drop an album very, very soon.
When is soon and what can we expect from the album?
Yeah, mara soon. Now when Hagabate Magari date so kaki, you know, get a bonnet about date chain. But one thing I can tell Basotho right now is that Sotho's never sounded this cooler. And we're gonna represent it on the highest level. Yeah, like in every way possible.
To say fashion, for sure. And like, how was the Bikers Weekend experience for you?
Lit.
Did you expect what you got from the crowd? Because it was going crazy during your performance.
Look, you know, when it comes to bikers, I think I've attended one last year, but it was in a different location. When it comes to bikers, yeah, fun. Yeah, the vibes. You know, one of my friends loves saying, Nanta make a believe or Harale Penya play, the good vibes. So actually, I'm about that, really, yeah.
Absolutely. Well, you guys heard it from the man himself. We'll be seeing Cheese Busy soon.
Soon and very soon. How pinyana, but yo, let's go balang. 28 December. Harimase. Rafela Masero kinana ke holiday. Ya sebetsang tsatsing leno. Ska ba yetsa phoso wena. Re tla re fihlile.
Khaola Selemo on the 28th.
Oh, go ahead. It's a round. Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you so much for having me. I mean, it's a lente ke le bona marang a mona nang, you know, and I'm happy to be here.
They better subscribe.
Yo.
Subscribe.
Kenya play re dula ka spana fiki ne fi payment a sa felle batse banang ka tsi.
What an amazing night it has been. Like I said, I delivered, right? Like I promised, right? And now I am with Mr. Bikers Weekend himself. Ndada Kopawale, how you feeling?
I'm happy, man. It happened.
Yeah.
Putting an event together is tiring, it's stressful, but again, at the end of the day, everyone that we invited is here. So yeah, man, I'm happy and Kanetekele Baba Soto Olofela for showing up. This is our first one. Gara drop also this is a great turnout, you know what I mean? And next year we going bigger and better.
Let's go bigger and better. But everything that's, you know, it's everything you expected and everything turned out great.
It did, honestly. Because I didn't, jwalo ka ke tulore ke ya pele ka ga toropo, I didn't expect go tle batho ba kanana wa bona. So honestly speaking, re tswa mo eleng gore Moonshine mo ne re accommodate like 100 people or 100 or 200 people, but bona tsena ka nnete ke a bona ha o sheba crowding gore yeah batho ba le ba Moonshine ba tle ka ga toropo le ba ka ga toropo ba re support. So yeah honestly ke thabile ka nnete.
Who was your favorite performer tonight?
I was performing, so obviously myself.
Yourself?
There's this nigga.
And low translate that,
but yeah, man, perform who showed up, because artists showing up in Alobatata at times, right? So them showing up to our event, shout out Moonshine, but what fitlang event in your Moonshine, yeah, we appreciate them all. Laona motho ka gareng o perform maybe to go feta e mong, re ba appreciate ka ofela.
And a big shout out to you for making all of this happen, right? What?
Nah, man, ke team after all. But maybe has the face. Ba sebeditseng ka thata haholo bo tlo fumana ba sebeditse ka thata lo mfeta. Shout out Mr. Munyane from BB Alert, who's also a biker. Shout out all his employees, man. Ka nnete ba sebeditse ka thata empa fela lo tlo fumana go motho ko ena ka pele, so people think you put it together all in mong, but yeah, it was everyone. It was you with your video, my guy, that video trended. So yeah, shout out everyone, man, who was part, who's been helping us push. Yeah,
till next year. I'm gonna have to do this, right? 'Cause I think the people will get mad at me if I don't do it. We need a drip check. We need a drip check. How hard?
As long as I did the one is, proudly. Yeah, it's about getting to Nana Yimpi Mare, Bonanin Terra.
Thank you so much. We're doing this again next year, right?
Yeah, we here, baby. Shout out.
Hey, this Big Hustle. Subscribe to J&J Network right now.
Hard. 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 Batata. Hard.